Taupō. Welcome to Taupō, the beating heart of New Zealand's North Island. Home to the country's largest lake, thundering waterfalls, steaming geothermal valleys, and adrenaline-pumping adventures. This is a destination that stuns at every turn. Whether you are chasing epic landscapes, cultural treasures, or peaceful moments in nature, Taupō has it all. Lake Taupō. At the center of it all is Lake Taupō, a massive crater lake formed by one of the world's largest volcanic eruptions over 26,000 years ago. It is bigger than Singapore, and on a calm day it mirrors the sky like glass. Whether you are boating, kayaking, or simply relaxing on the shore, this lake is Taupō's crown jewel. Taupō Sign. A trip to Taupō wouldn't be complete without a photo at the iconic Taupō Sign. Perfectly positioned by the lake with mountain views in the distance. A great Instagram moment to mark your journey. World's coolest McDonald's. Yes, even McDonald's is cooler in Taupō. Dubbed the world's coolest McDonald's, this one features a real DC-3 airplane that you can walk into and dine inside. Quirky, nostalgic, and fun. This is not your typical fast food stop. Huka Falls. Just north of the lake, the Waikato River narrows dramatically to create the roaring Huka Falls, where 220,000 liters of water surge through per second. The power here is raw and mesmerizing. For the thrill seekers, you can even take a jet boat ride that gets really close to the action. Watch our Huka Falls video to learn more. Tongariro National Park. While it's about an hour away, Tongariro National Park is an easy day trip from Taupō. Home to 3 active volcanoes and the world-famous Tongariro Alpine Crossing, this UNESCO-listed park is a must for hiking and Lord of the Rings fans alike.
North Island Main Trunk Railway. Taupō isn't directly on the train line, but nearby bridges and viewpoints offer glimpses of iconic North Island Main Trunk Railway, a historic lifeline that links Wellington to Auckland, passing through some of New Zealand's most scenic countryside. You will find many monuments and history when you visit the area. Craters of the Moon. Step into another world at the Craters of the Moon, a geothermal wonderland filled with steaming vents, bubbling craters, and alien landscapes. It's a gentle 45-minute walk, perfect for families or anyone curious about New Zealand's volcanic heartbeat. Don't forget to watch our dedicated video. Orakei Korako. Tucked away and only accessible by boat, Orakei Korako, also known as the Hidden Valley, is one of the most beautiful geothermal parks in the country. Its rainbow-colored terraces, geysers, and thermal cave feel like something out of a fantasy world. And best of all, it's far less crowded than other geothermal attractions.
Mine Bay Maori rock carvings. Accessible only by water, the 7-meter high Mine Bay Maori rock carvings were created in the 1970s as a tribute to Maori heritage and wisdom. You can reach them by boat, kayak, or even a scenic cruise. An unforgettable blend of art, nature, and cultural storytelling. Unfortunately, the boat ride was not available when we visited due to bad weather, so we could not visit this place. Lava Glass and Sculpture Garden. Another place we missed was the Lava Glass and Sculpture Garden. Art lovers will appreciate Lava Glass, a studio and sculpture garden showcasing stunning hand-blown glassworks. Each piece is inspired by the natural beauty of Taupō, and the vibrant garden is a work of art in itself. Wairakei Terraces and Thermal Spa. Wairakei Terraces combine ancient Maori tradition with modern wellness. Soak in the thermal pools surrounded by silica terraces while learning about indigenous healing practices. It's the perfect spot to unwind.
Aratiatia Rapids, located near Taupō on the Waikato River, is one of New Zealand's most unique natural attractions. When the Aratiatia Dam gates open, releasing 80,000 litres of water per second into a narrow gorge, the area becomes a breathtaking display of thundering turquoise rapids, rushing over ancient volcanic rocks. You can find out more about Aratiatia Rapids and how it featured in Sir Peter Jackson's The Hobbit: The Desolation of Smaug movie in our video linked above.
So, whether you are here for nature, adventure, culture, or just a peaceful escape, Taupō has a way of capturing your heart. Which spot are you adding to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments.